share the screen. Okay, anybody reading? Last time who read it?
Last week, I think.
Oh, last week I wasn't there, right? So, okay, now who is here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time Gauri Mohodaya read it, I think, right? Kiran Mohodaya? Is Kiran Mohodaya here? Prabhu Mohodaya?
No, they are both of them. They are not available.
Okay, Vibha Mohodaya?
Vibha is not available.
I think anybody can read. That's better.
Okay, can I read them?
Yes, yes. Whoever wants to
Okay.
get their pronunciation right can read. Read. Not a problem.
I'll just try. If I'm, is there any pronunciation? If there is any,
I will let you know. Yeah.
Okay.
We are all learning. So no problem.
Okay. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhyat Bhavatu Me Sada Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Sahana Bhavatu Sahanam Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karava Pahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vid. How do you pronounce this?
Vidvishavahaihi.
Vidvisha.
Vidvi.
How do you say it? Can you just tell again?
Vidvishavahaihi.
Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Okay, so it's Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu.
Sahanau Bhunaktu.
Yeah. Today we'll do that meaning of that. Sahaviryam Karavavahaihi. We don't say Viryam, we will say Viryam Karavavahaihi. So it, Nakara. Nakara comes, not Makara. So Viryam Karavavahaihi. Tejasvina Vadhitamastu Ma Vishhavahaihi.
Vidvishava.
Vidvishavahaihi. So we go directly to that one. Do you want to read Padma Mohodaya again? This shloka?
Yeah.
So we will, get it.
Okay. You want me to read this Saha together?
The whole thing, the whole presentation slide.
Saha together. Now we both. Avatu, to be protected. Sahanau, may we both. Bhunaktu, be nourished. Saha, together. Viryam, with great energy. Karavavahai, work. Tejasvi, brilliance. Now both. Aditam, astu, intellect be ma, not with vishavai, animosity.
Yeah.
May we both be nourished. May we work together with great energy. May we sharpen, study.
The first line is missing, that may we both be protected.
May we both be nourished.
No, that's not the second line.
Today?
That is Sahana Bhunaktu. Sahana Bhavatu is may we both be protected. So once protection is taken care of, then may we be nourished. And then
may we work together with great energy is the third one.
Correct. Tejasvina Madhitamastu.
Yes.
This is Te.
Yes.
So what was the question? Did you ask any question?
No, I think in your explanation, the first line is may we both be nourished, but the first line is Sahana Vavtu, that is, may we both be protected.
Yes, that's right. So
The
Sahana,
first line, the first line is, sorry, the first line is missing in your explanation here. Below in the sentences that you've written.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. May we both be protected. May we both be nourished. May we work together with great energy. May our intellect be sharpened, and let there be no animosity amongst us. So this is the one which we usually, any classes we say this together. We both, in the sense, it's the teacher and the student. So we have to have that relationship between the teacher and the student, that we have to be protected, because there are some issues which will come, like today's Zoom problem. So all these problems shouldn't come, and we have to be healthy as well. To learn something or to teach something, we need to be healthier and everything. So this is the prayer we say always. Yeah. Now next, this is the revision, what we have done. Last class we did the Strilinga Bahuvachana, I believe. Narayan Mahodaya was okay. Padma Mahodaya, you are muted.
Yeah, last week, yeah.
So this was covered last time as well with me,
Yeah.
Astina. So that's okay.
Yeah, last time.
Does anybody want to do some sambhashanam, or we'll go directly to the class today because we are late?
I think we should go directly to the class.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking as well. But if you want some sambhashanam to be done,
Maybe last 5 minutes
yeah, we can do if there is time. Yeah,
or 10 minutes like.
yeah. So that's sambhashanam. Now this is the Napumsakalingaha Bahuvachana Shabda. All right. So this should be Padani. There's lots of mistakes I made. All right. So with Bahuvachana, it comes as Ani, like what I think Sushila Mahodaya said, right? Vimanani. So that's the one. So it's very easy, this one. So Vyajanam, Vyajanani. Yeah. Somebody wants to read this? Rajeshwari Mahodaya. Sorry, Divya Mahodaya. Rajeshwari Mahodaya, do you want to read so that you can know what you're up to? Do you want to? Otherwise, it's okay. Not a problem.
No, actually, I can read, but I'm not so confident about fast reading.
That's okay. Not a problem. We are here to learn. So no problem at all. Sorry, Divya Mahodaya. Kshamyatam. Because I need them to get good in pronunciation.
Vyajanam, Vyajanam is ekavachanam. Bahuvachanam is Vyajanani.
Yeah.
Okay. Kandanam, Kandakam.
It's Kankanam.
Okay. Kankanam, Kankanani. Toranam, Toranani. Yanam, Yanani.
Yeah.
This ma will go.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. The makara will go and ani comes.
Okay. Vanam, Vanani. Kandukam, Kandukani. Mahodaya, what is the meaning of Kandukam?
Ball.
Ball. Okay. Udyanam, Udyanani. Sangha.
This is wrong, what I have written. Wait, I'll see. It's Sanganakam.
Okay.
Judah.
Sanganakam, Sanganani. Sanganakam means what?
Computer.
Computer.
Computer. Okay. And Udyanam is?
Garden.
Pardon?
Garden.
Okay, garden. Okay. Udyanam is garden.
Coming today. Yeah,
Mitra,
continue.
friendship. Is they whether they mean friendship? Mitram?
Mitram is
Mitra is friend.
friendship.
But when it comes to Mitra, Mitra is Mitrani, not me. No?
Yes, yes, it's ni,
Mitrani.
not no.
Me, no, not no.
Because whenever rakara comes,
Ah.
refa, it's refa, not rakara. Whenever refa comes, it's no.
Okay.
Okay.
There are two exceptions. One is refa, and the other one is sha, mahaprana sha.
Okay.
Mitrani.
When those two comes, it becomes no, not no. Yeah.
Like
Mahoday?
Mahoday, Aksharam. What will come? Aksharam.
Aksharam is Napumsakalinga. So what will it come?
Aksharani.
Yes, right. It's no,
But
not
no, I'm asking which no.
no.
Okay.
Yeah, because refa comes, right? Aksharani.
Okay.
Mahoday, one doubt. Krishna Phalakam, in that case, it has to be Krishna Phalakani, right? Na, right?
No. Because it doesn't. This is ka. Ka comes before na. If
Only-
refa or sha comes before na, it will be ni. Right? This is ka.
In that
Ka
case,
is
how
all right.
come Graham becomes Grahani?
Griham.
There.
Yeah, but, I think it's because of the rikara here. Yeah, I have to see what it is. Maybe it's her. Is there anything of her? I'll see that. All right. I'll let you know. Yeah,
Okay.
because if I can know any word ending with her like this,
Mhm.
and if it comes na, so it is with her as well, probably. So,
Udyanani you have written. Is it a Krisva or this thing, man, a big one only?
Udyanani. Yeah. Okay. I'm not able to change it today for some reason.
No small. I just wanted to know if it is Krisva
Yes,
or.
no. It's a risva.
Okay.
Ikara.
Okay.
This Parnam also, it is
Parnam.
Parnani or
Parnani. Ni. No.
Parnani.
This ni.
Parnani. This has a na here, so it's Parnani.
Okay. Parnani. Okay.
Yeah.
Patram.
Patrani.
Patrani. Mandram. Mandrani.
Mandiram.
Mandiram. Mandirani. Griham. Grihani. Pushpam. Pushpani. Chatram. Chatrani. Krishna
Phalakam.
Krishna Palakam.
Yes.
Krishna Palakani.
Yeah.
Phalam. Phalani. Krida.
Okay, you can read slowly. This is right for some reason. That's good. So you can. Yeah. What is this? Kri?
Da.
Yes.
Krida Kanganam.
Kridanganam.
Krida. That dot is there, no?
That is no.
No. Okay.
Kridang.
Kridanganam. Okay. Kridangani.
Yeah.
So what is Kridangani?
Kridanganani.
Okay. Kridanganani. Okay.
Yeah.
Mahoday, Kridanganani, what is the meaning, Mahoday?
Can somebody say?
Toys.
Playground.
Is it a playground?
Playground.
Playgrounds.
Ground or something like that? Or
This
of
is
games?
This is plural of playground.
Okay.
All right. Next, this is the ikaranta. Somebody wants to say, Divya Mahoday?
Varini, Dadi, Dadini.
No, it's dadini.
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 How
While
do you-
pronouncing, you need to say varini.
Varini. Okay. Dadini.
What happens is next with dvivachana coming in here, this is ekavachana, this is bahuvachana, right? Dvivachana will be varini.
Varini. Varini.
So varini, varini. So while pronouncing, we need to say it properly. Otherwise, it will be like two. If we
Okay.
say varini, it will be like two. Varini. So varini.
Okay. The third one, how do you say? Asti, is it?
Asthini. That will be Mahaprana.
No, the first one is Asti, right?
Yeah, Asthi. Asthini.
Or it is written here. Asti, it is.
Oh,
Astini.
Asthini. Yeah.
Shuchini. Akshini.
Akshini.
Yeah, Akshini. Madhuni.
Madhuni.
Madhuni. Okay. Yeah. Vastuni.
Yeah.
Daruni.
Yeah.
What is asti?
Asthi is bones.
Bones. Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Does somebody want to read this? Because this is really a good one to pronounce. Our Risva Swara and Dirgha Swara.
Okay. Shall I, Mahoday?
Yeah.
Varini. Dhadiya. Dadini. Astini. Astini. Shuchini. Akshini. Madhuni. Vastuni. Dharuni.
What is shuchi?
Come on.
What is shuchi?
List, I
Shuchi
think.
is
List.
clean.
Huh?
Clean?
Clean.
Yeah. Yeah, Shuchi is clean.
Shouch is this asti, it becomes asthini or astini. Is the tha becomes the?
No, Asthi.
Okay.
That is my mistake. That tha will come. That tha will come here. Asthini.
Mahoday, Vari. What is the meaning of Vari?
Vari is water.
Pardon?
Water.
Okay, water. Jalam.
Right. So you've got an idea of how it is. Bahuvachana, right? With when it comes as vyajanam, vyajanani. All right. And then ikaranta and ukaranta are not many in Napumsakalinga. So I have tried how much ever I can. There are words. It's not like there are not. But yeah, I remembered only this much. I put that. Now, this is the one, these, that, those, which we said for, what was for
Sure.
Purusha
So,
again?
sorry, I had a question on the previous slide.
Yeah.
So in the ikara in Napumsakaling is always the rasva e, whereas if it is the dirgha e, it is striling. It only comes in three.
Yes. Right.
So whenever a word ends with a rasva e, it has to be Napumsakaling
Oh,
as a rule.
Not necessary it has to be, but for now, yes, it has to be.
Okay.
Because now it's a basic one, so it has to be. It's better to have that in mind.
both Strilinga, Strilinga and Napumsakalinga, no? Risva E, Kavihi, and Matihi, and here now Vari. All this Risva E are on the three lingas. Risva E.
Yeah. But usually in Strilinga, it will be Dhirgahi.
But they have given
Dhirgahi.
Matihi or something is also given.
Yeah. Mati, yeah. But usually it is Dirghai with Strilinga. Yeah.
Mahoday, one question.
Yes.
I think in one of the homeworks, I guess, it was like dash pustakam. It was written, I mean, the picture of a book was given, and we had to write I think Eshaha or whatever.
Yeah.
It's like picture of a book means it can be a pustakaha or it can be a pustakam, right?
Yes.
So depending upon
some of them have two lingas. Depends upon the context.
Okay. So when just the picture is given and we are supposed to choose it, we can choose either pustakam or pustakam.
Yeah. You can choose any.
Otherwise,
it's the same for mitram as well. Mitraha, mitram.
Friend, yeah, I got reminded about this question when I saw that mitraha.
Yeah. But usually mitraha is a friend, but usually son is called mitraha.
Okay.
Mitraha. Suryaha. That's usually son is called mitraha, but it will be friend as well. Next is this one. Anybody wants to read? We'll just go on reading the slide because we don't have much time today.
Etat yutakam. Tat yutakam. Etaani yutakani. Tani yutakani. Yutkani or yutakani you must read. How do you read it? Correct? Yutakani.
Yutakam, yutakani. Phalam, phalani. Pushpam, pushpani. Like that.
Okay.
Next. Does somebody who hasn't read at all? Sorry, Mahoday.
Mahoday, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Etaani, why we are telling etaani varini?
Etaani is these. Tani is those. So etaani, if something is near, we say these.
Okay.
It's the same as etat. Etat is this. This is etat pustakam. This is a book. Tat pustakam, that is a book.
Okay.
So it's the same thing. Etaani, these are books. Tani, those are books.
Okay. How to raise a question? What is about this Strilinga plural form? How will we raise the question?
That come back, but it's like kaha ka kim. So etat kim, etat pustakam. Like that. So etat kim, etat vari.
Okay.
And this one will be kani. That will come later.
Okay.
Because
no, I thought you have already covered that one.
No, I haven't covered yet.
Okay.
So this will be
Etat is that this, no?
Huh?
Etat is this, THIS.
Etat is this. Yeah.
So etat vari is this is water.
Yeah.
Tat vari is
That is
water.
water.
That is okay.
Yeah. It's the same thing with Ukaranta. I just thought I'll do all these three. Yutakam, Vari, and this one, Daru. All right. So anyone, Rajeshwari Moday, do you want to?
Yeah. Etat taru, tat taru. Etaani
Daru. It's not
daru.
Taru, Daru. Yeah.
Daru. Okay. Etat daru, tat daru. Etaani taruni. Taruni.
Daruni.
Daruni. Which one is the ru has to be or in a long way, or ni must be pronounced in a wrong way?
In this case, we are pronouncing Ru in a long way. Daruni.
Daruni. Okay, right. Okay.
See that Ru? It's this way. This
Okay,
Ru
yeah.
is like this. Did you
That's
see the
why.
difference? This
Okay.
is the Hrisva Ru. This is the Dirgha Ru.
Okay.
While writing also, we need to write like that. That one like that, and that one a little bit curve.
Okay.
Daru, daru.
Etaani daruni. Okay. Tani daruni.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
All right. Now I had just thought we will do all this, Pullinga, Strilinga, and Napumsakalinga. But I don't think we have time. We can just go for 2 minutes. Can anybody say all the three words, three lingas, and two vachanas for this? Saha? Just to revise, this is. Saha something other than balakaha or normal one.
Chatraha.
Chhatraha.
Vrishabha. Vrishabha.
Yeah. No, we'll say Saha Vrishabha, Eshaha Vrishabha, Te Vrishabhaha, Ete Vrishabhaha. Yeah. We'll just go through one or two things.
Ukaranta, Guru, Eshaha, Saha Guru, Eshaha Guru. Te Guravaha, Ete Guru.
Yeah.
Guravaha,
I think it's better if we say Saha Guruhu.
Saha Guru.
We shouldn't forget the Visarga. Saha Guruhu, Eshaha Guruhu. Right. Te
Ukaranta is Kavi. Kavihi in pulling, right?
Yeah.
Saha Kavihi, Eshaha Kavihi. Te Kavayaha, Ete Kavayaha.
Samyak. Anybody wants to try? Anybody else? Who hasn't tried yet? Who hasn't said anything? Raghavan Mahodaya, Fran Mahodaya, you are all silent today. You are on mute, both of you.
Saha Syutaha.
Mm-hmm.
Syutaha is a bag. Saha Syutaha. Eshaha Syutaha. Te Syutaha. Ete Syutaha.
Samyak. Any female ones? Strilinga words?
Sa nadi, Esha nadi, ta natyaha, taha, sorry, etaha, natyaha.
Yeah. Yeah, Samyak. Good pickup. Yeah. I forgot to put yetaha here. All right. Anybody for Napumsakalinga? Then we'll go next. Who is there? Padma Mohoday, do you want to say about Napumsakalinga?
Not too confident about it.
No, that's okay. You can say we did it today itself. So you might remember something. The first one, first word.
I can try.
Yeah, you can try.
Etat pustakam, tat pustakam, tani pustakani, etaani pustakani.
Samyak. Uttam.
Etat pustakam, tat pustakam.
Do you want to try another word? Modaye, Padma Modaye.
Chatram.
Okay. I can just go through here. Maybe we'll do this one. Any of this.
Napumsakalinga is only very few. Pushpam is there.
There are Napumsakalinga.
Yeah.
So
Padmaji, are you trying?
No, you try. I'm just looking into it. Next, I've written and kept. Let me see whether I'm able to.
Etat pushpam, tat pushpam. Okay. And etat pushpani.
Etaani. Okay.
I couldn't get that one. Tani pushpani. Right.
Yeah.
Etaani pushpani.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good. All right. We'll go to a new word today. Atra, tatra. Did Narayan Mahodaya cover this?
No.
No.
Okay.
No.
Atra, tatra. Just now somebody asked kutra, right? This is the answer for that, kutra. Atra. Atra means here. Tatra means there.
Okay.
So somebody wants to read this? These sentences?
Atra, here. Ramaha, atraha asti.
Atra.
Rama.
No, Visarga. Atra asti.
Atra asti. Rama is here. Sita atra asti. Sita is here. Tatra. Tatra is there. Krishnaha tatra asti. Krishna is there. Rukmani tatra asti. Rukmani is there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So if somebody asks, anybody like Ramaha kutra asti, Ramaha tatra asti, Ramaha atra asti. All right, this is easy, not a problem. Next class, we will have a discussion with atra and tatra as well. We'll have a sambhashanam. Then we can say putraha, kutra asti, all those. We can just have a discussion next class.
Okay.
All right. Next, I have just done an example of that. Chashakaha atra asti. Chashakaha tatra asti. Right? It's the same thing with, I have done Pullinga, Strilinga, and Napumsakalinga to show that for all the lingas, it's atra and tatra. All right. So even sthalika kutra asti, sthalika atra asti, sthalika tatra asti. All right. And vimanam atra asti, vimanam tatra nasti. I did that because we have learned asti and nasti. So we need to say nasti as well. So vimanam atra asti, vimanam tatra nasti. All right. Can anybody say there is I haven't done mistake for once in this slide. There is a mistake here. There is no mistake here. But what's the difference in here?
Yeah, in words you mean, or
yes, yes.
Vimanam, you have written Vimanam.
Yes.
Okay. And then in next Vimanam, we have put dot.
Yeah. So can you please tell me in Sanskrit what does it mean? Vimanam and Vimanam with a dot.
When there is an what do you call swara, you have to use ma.
Yes, yes. No, but I'm asking, what is this called in Sanskrit?
Makar.
Makar. And what is this?
Anusvara.
Anuswara.
Yes. Right. So we are not saying with a dot, we'll say anuswara. Okay. So we'll just go into Sanskrit a bit. That's better. So yeah, as Sushila Mohodaya said, Vimanam atra asti, because this is a swara, I have entered as makara. All right. There's no swara here. When there is a swara, we have to write like this. When there is no swara, we have to write like this. All right. So usually my slides have more mistakes, but this is not, this is good.
Mahoday, 1 minute, one doubt.
Yeah.
Vimanam tatra asti and Vimanam atra, sorry, Vimanam tatra asti. It is there in the sky. So we have to say it is tatra. And Vimanam na, sorry, Vimanam atra nasti. We can say like that, no? It is not here.
Yeah, we can say. You can take any example and say. Just tell some example and say.
Vimanam atra nasti. Atra nasti we have to say. Okay,
Yeah.
not here. Then we mean it is not here.
Yeah, I've given just an example of how we can say asti and nasti. So you can say any thing like that.
Okay.
Yeah. Pustakam atra asti, pustakam tatra nasti, or pustakam atra nasti, tatra asti.
Okay.
I've just given an example because we have covered asti and nasti as well.
Okay.
The main thing was atra and tatra here.
Okay.
Right? And then I wanted to cover this. Is it okay if I cover this one? Because I wanted to cover this, all the, what do you call, everywhere. So it's like atra, tatra is here and there. Anyatra is somewhere. All right. So anyatra is somewhere. So it's balakaha anyatra asti. The boy is somewhere. So he's not here. Or he's not there. He is somewhere. All right. So if we don't know the answer, balakaha kutra asti, balakaha anyatra asti. All right. Because we don't know whether he's atra or tatra.
Okay.
Anybody wants to read this? This is the same thing, anyatra.
Okay.
You can read. Anyatra is somewhere, not here, elsewhere. Balakaha anyatra asti. The boy is somewhere, not here. Ankini anyatra asti. The pencil is somewhere. Pustakam anyatra asti. The book is elsewhere. Mayuraha anyatra santi. The peacocks are somewhere. Panchalikaha anyatra santi. The toys are somewhere. Falani anyatra santi. The fruits are somewhere.
Yeah. Can you read this, Jignesh Mohodaya, again?
Falani anyatra santi.
Okay, this is phalani, not falani.
Falani.
Pa. You have
Phalani.
to point the lips. Pa.
Phalani.
Phalani. Yeah. It's not fal like Hindi.
Hindi. Yeah, I'm used to Hindi. Yeah. Phalani.
Phalani. Yeah.
So for
And
this
did
anyatra, you
see
can
Santi? Sorry?
for anyatra you can either say somewhere or elsewhere. Both can
Elsewhere.
come. You can use according to the.
Anyatra. Yeah.
Okay. Now, for example,
Okay.
pustakam
I don't know where. It's somewhere.
Okay.
Yeah.
The book is elsewhere.
Yeah.
The peacock.
And that's Santi, Asti, Santi. Did you see the difference here?
Plural.
What's the
Santi
difference?
is for plural.
Sorry?
Santi is for plural.
Yes.
Plural.
Bahuvachana. Yeah.
Bahuvachana.
Bahuvachana. For Bahuvachana. So if there's a Bahuvachana in the Namapada, then it will be Santi. All right. Otherwise, it will be Asti. Okay. And this is sarvatra kutra. See, we came to kutra today itself. Sarvatra means everywhere. All right. So atra, tatra, anyatra, sarvatra. All right. So anybody wants to read this? Fran Mohodaye, you want to read?
Yes. But sorry, my pronunciation. Sarvatra, everywhere. Ishvaraha, sarvatra asti. Ishvara is everywhere.
Mm-hmm. Vayuhu.
Vayuhu, sarvatra asti. Air is everywhere. Wouldn't it be jalam? Jalam, sarvatra asti. Water is everywhere.
Yeah.
Kutra, where? Ishvaraha kutra asti. Where is Ishvara? Ishvaraha sarvatra asti. Ishvara is everywhere. Lekhani kutra asti. Where is the pen? Lekhani atra asti. The pencil is here. Or the pen.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah. Nakshatram.
Nakshatram kutra asti. Where is the star? Nakshatram tatra asti. The star is there.
Samyak. All right. So did you get an idea how it is? Kutra, atra, tatra. We'll discuss this in the next class. Yeah. We can have some words written down and then we can discuss. We can have a discussion. All right.
Bahuvachan also will have seen Santi here. If something
Kutra Santi. Yeah.
It will be kutra Santi.
Yeah. Lekhanyaha kutra santi. Lekhanyaha atra santi. All right. Nakshatrani kutra santi. Nakshatrani atra or tatra santi. We'll do this in next class so that we can go into it in more detail. And the next slide I did was this. It's all mixed, all the ones. Atra, tatra, sarvatra, kutra, anyatra. So someone wants to read this? I'll send you the slide. I'll make some corrections, which I couldn't do it today. I'll make it and send it. Padma Modi.
Asandaha atra asti. The seat is here. Lekhani tatra asti. The pen is there. Kundakam kutra asti. Kandukam kutra asti. Where is the ball? Shatika tatra nasti. The sari is not there. Vayuhu sarvatra asti. Air is everywhere. Parvataha anyatra asti. The mountain is elsewhere. Bhavan atra asti va. Are you there?
Yeah. So we have learnt about va as well. That's why I have put it. Asti va, are you there? Bhavan, that should be an akara. Sorry about this. Bhavan atra asti va, are you there? Yeah. All right. That's it for now. And yeah, we'll talk about it later. So that's it. Anybody wants to say the Mangala Shloka? Rajeshwari Mode.
Okay. Sarve bhavantu
So the
You
class
asked
is
me?
till 5 p.m., right?
Asking something?
Jayashree Mahoday, class is till 5 p.m. right now.
We have time, I think he's
Oh,
telling.
we have time. Oh, that's good.
Yeah,
That's
till
very
5
good.
p.m.
Then we can do
have.
some sambhashanam. Sorry, I was like, okay, we'll do some sambhashanam with the atra tatra. All right, that's good. I was thinking we don't have time. All right, we'll start sambhashanam. Anybody wants to ask questions with Pullinga, Napumsakalinga, and Strilinga? We have lots of words here with Napumsakalinga here. And Pullinga and Strilinga words, you know.
With atra tatra you want or what?
Yeah. With atra tatra, anyatra, sarvatra, kutra. One can ask a question and one can answer. We'll go according to the roll number. That's better. Yeah, first Jignesh Mahodaya.
लेखनी कत्र अस्ति लेखनी अत्र अस्ति
No, you ask question and the next person will be answering.
Okay.
All right. So you ask all the you can ask kutra asti, and then the other person has to say atra tatra sarvatra anyatra, all the 4 answers.
Okay. Why?
Gauri Mahodaya, is she there?
No.
No. Tejaswini Mahodaya, Prabhu Mahodaya, Kiran Mahodaya.
Divya, I think.
Is Kiran Mahodaya there? No, I think.
No.
Divya Mohan.
Yeah, I think
Next is Divya. Yeah.
Next, which number is there?
11.
11.
I think it should be 9 now.
Okay, Divya Mahodaya.
Okay. Namaskara Mahodaya. Ishvara kutra asti?
Ishvara sarvatra asti.
Parvatah kutra asti?
Parvatah tatra asti. Should I ask the next person?
Yeah. You can ask the next person. Next person, who is it? Karthik Mahodaya is not there. Subramanian Mahodaya, Raghavan. Which is the next number? I think that's better.
I think mine is next number. She is 11 and
Raghavan Mahodaya.
Raghavan.
16 is mine.
yeah, okay.
Raghavan Mahodaya, Bhavan atra asti va?
Aham atra asti. I am there.
For I, do we say asti or
Asmi, sorry. Aham atra asmi.
you can say am. Yes, I am here.
Aham
Atra.
atra asmi.
Good question. Okay, Raghavan Mahodaya, you can ask. Who is it?
Me, Suchila.
Namaste, Sushila Mahoday. Gajaha anyatra asti va?
Na, Gajaha vane asti. Vane asti or atra anyatra asti. Raghavan Mahoday.
Rajeshwari.
Okay, Rajeshwari Mahoday. बालकः अत्र अस्ति वा?
न बालकः अन्यत्र अस्ति. Is it right, Mahodaya? Because I said it, no, he is not here. So na balakah anyatra asti.
Yeah. Samyak.
Okay. Then I need to ask someone.
Yes. Do you know whom to ask?
I think it's me.
Ram.
Any word I can take. No?
Any word, anything.
Okay. Frank Mahodaya, lekani tatra asti.
But you have to ask me. So kutra.
Lekani kutra asti. You can say
Lekani tatra santi.
Tatra
santi.
asti.
If you say lekani, plural, bahuvachana.
Lekhani is not plural.
No.
What is the plural of lekhani? What is the plural of?
Lekanyaha. Sorry.
Lekhanyaha.
Sorry, Rajeshwari Mahodaya. So lekani tatra asti. And
Samyak. Now you have to ask someone.
Namaste Padma Mahodaya. Mayuraha kutra santi.
Mayuraha antra santi.
Anyatra.
Okay. Now next, I should ask whom?
Ask me.
Ask anyone.
Yes.
Ask
Okay.
anyone.
Okay. Nakshatra kutra asti.
Nakshatra
I think
tatra
Jignesh
asti.
Mahodaya, Sushila Mahodaya was missed out, right?
No, she answered.
She answered.
Sushila Mahodaya.
No, you can ask anyone now. After Jignesh Mahodaya, it's one round is over. One circle is over. We have asked everyone.
Nakshatram sarvatra asti.
Okay, I can ask. Nakshatrani kutra santi.
Nakshatrani sarvatra
asti.
Santi. Santi.
Whom to ask?
You can ask anyone, Mahoday.
Chatakaha atra santi va?
Pardon? Can you repeat the question?
Chatakaha atra santi va? Raghavan Mahodaya, can you answer?
Yeah. Chashakaha.
Chatakaha.
Chatakaha. Anyatra. Chatakaha anyatra santi.
You want to ask a question, Raghavan Mahodaya? Ask something different.
I'm not. I think everything you covered.
Mahodaya, can we ask Churika kutra santi? Is it right?
Churikaha. Churikaha.
Churikaha.
Churika is singular. Churikaha is plural.
Okay. Kutra santi you can ask or
Yeah, kutra santi. Churikaha kutra santi. Or churika kutra asti.
Kutra asti. Okay, okay. Anybody can answer. Rajeshri Mahodaya can answer. Churikaha kutra santi.
Churikaha atra santi.
Can anybody translate churik? Okay, the knife is in the kitchen.
Churikaha
Kitchen.
Pakashale asti.
Yeah, samyak. Pakashale asti. Or pakagrihe asti.
Pakagrihe. Pakashala asti. Okay.
What is kitchen in Sanskrit, ma'am?
Pakashala or pakagriha also you can say.
But the book is on the table. How do we so on that?
That will come later. Will come
No.
later.
Tatra, the book is there. Okay, the book is there.
Will
On
come to the sentences later. Yeah, I just wanted to ask where's the knife?
No,
So-
the book is not there means not tatra nasti, right? Tatra
Yes.
nasti.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tatra nasti.
Okay.
That's what I gave you an example of the Vimanam.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have a question. Eka prashnaha. When we ask anything, we can add va at the end. So I could say vimanam at kutra asti va or vimanam kutra asti, and it's the same.
Vimanam kutra asti is a question by itself, right? If you have a doubt, saying, oh, somebody is here, or vimanam tatra asti va, tatra asti va. Okay, if you say kutra, it's a question itself by itself. What? Yeah. So if you have a doubt, then you can ask tatra asti va, atra asti va.
Okay. Mahoday, nowhere means suppose sarvatra is everywhere. Nowhere means I couldn't find it nowhere.
Nowhere is
I couldn't find it anywhere or nowhere.
yeah, I'll tell you. I forgot about it. It should be atra, tatra, sarvatra, kutra.
Sanskrit dictionary says na kutrapi.
Na kutrapi is also there. I think
Okay.
there is another word for it too.
Kutra. That is also a nice idea. Na kutra asti.
Kutrapi nasti also you can say.
Okay.
Na kutrapi is okay, or like lekhani atra asti va, lekhani kutrapi nasti.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kutra asti.
What do you say? Can you say tatra vartika jalativa or burns? What do you say for burn?
Birds.
BURNS, burn. Is the candle burning there?
Jalati. Jalati.
Jalati.
Yeah.
Tatra
Jalati.
vartika jalativa.
Hmm.
Right?
Yeah. 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 Right. Next, I can last time Narayan Mahodaya had introduced to Subhashita, I think, right?
Correct.
Some of the Subhashitani, or one Subhashitani maybe. I can We have time. No, that's good. I was thinking, I don't know why, but I was thinking we don't have time. All right, I can just show you once Shubhashitani because I was not prepared for this. This might be easy for you to learn. Okay, now I'm typing. I'll see how it goes. This is one Subhashitani. Yeah. Okay, you can, if anybody understands this, you can tell me the meaning of this. Anybody knows the meaning of this? You can take your own time.
There is no friend. There is no friend equal to education. Vidya.
Yes. Nagasamam.
Tapaha nasti ragas.
You can take your own time. I'm just typing this. All of you know the first words here, right? In all the lines. Come.
The third is the most anger is the foremost. There is nothing which is more of an sadness to us than anger. And tyagam, if you do tyagam or
Sacrifice.
Sacrifice is the best happiness. Second line I didn't understand. Satyamam
Tapaha, I don't know.
Satyasamam tapaha, I didn't know.
Tapaha, it's tapaha. So you will know now.
That is the best prayer, tapas. The best
Tapas penance, yeah.
Telling the truth.
Honesty.
Honesty is the best tapas or a prayer or tapas is what and education is the best friend. Anger is the biggest dukkham or dukkham in English.
Raga is a desire.
Sushila, why each sentence is starting with nasti?
Yeah. You cannot say no.
Telling the simple sentences, but the Sanskrit version is starting with nasti. Why it is starting with nasti?
Because nasti is not there.
No, nasti means no, no?
That is
okay.
What is nasti? We have learned just now.
Yeah,
nasti is not there.
No, she is telling
like education.
Simple sentence. She is not telling us a negative sentence. Okay, nasti is a negative sentence. Right?
Yeah, there is no friend like education.
Okay. The second
like Satyam. Or there is no tapas like Satyam. There is no dukkham like anger. Dukkham like anger. Or dukkham means, and there is the sacrifices, and there is no greater happiness like sacrifice.
Then it's okay.
I
Yeah,
think
okay.
Raga is desire, right? Desire or
Raga is attachment.
attachment.
Vita raga bhaya krodha. It's attachment, raga.
Attachment.
Raga dvesha. Yeah.
So samam. What does samam means?
Equal.
Equanimity also.
Yes. Bandhu.
Friend.
Friendship.
Family.
Yeah. Relatives.
Bandhu. Yeah. Okay.
So did you come to a conclusion where what it is? I'll ask Jignesh Mahodaya.
Yeah, I think I agree with Sushila ji that is. So the sentence, it starts with negation, but it's basically saying that there is no friend like education. So I think that line of thought I will.
Yeah. Yeah. Next, Divya Mahodaya. Second line.
Nasti satyasamam tapaha. There is no penance which is equal to truth.
Yeah. Yeah. Next one will be Raghavan Mahodaya.
There is no sorrow as attachment to something.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And Fran Mahodaya, the last one.
There is no happiness like abandonment. Like
Tyaga.
leaving behind.
Tyaga is not abandonment. It's like sacrificing something,
Okay.
like sacrificing in a good way.
Right. I didn't know how to say it in English.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's what it says. If you have knowledge, vidya, it's like relatives. It is always helpful for us. If we that's truth is like penance. It is a penance, right? It's not easy to be truthful for everything, each and everything. That's penance. Raga samam dukkham nasti means attachment is always the worst thing anytime. If you have too much of attachment, it's always dukkham, isn't it? Sometimes because of the attachment only we will have this mental issues and everything. And nasti tyaga samam sukham, when we sacrifice something a little bit, we feel so happy about anything. So,
Maybe renunciation for Tiago.
Yeah. So maybe it's also letting go, I guess. Maybe
letting
Tyag is
go.
also
That's why I thought advance.
giving up or letting go. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Mahodaya, 1 minute.
Mhm.
Tyaga samam sukham. Okay.
Yeah.
And why the nastis? Tyaga samam sukham. They have written in this.
There is no happiness
Okay. Okay.
as equal to tyaga.
Okay. Okay.
Renunciation. That's how it is.
Okay.
Because I thought nasti, we have learned nasti, so I thought better to start
Okay.
from nasti itself.
Okay.
And
We'll go through
everywhere it should be
Subhashita next time as well. Because today I thought I was not prepared for this.
But
For
it
some
is
reason,
very nice.
you know,
This
I was like,
Subhashitam is very, very nice.
hmm?
This Subhashitam is very, very nice.
Subhashitams all are very good. And it's like if we have it, if we memorize it, we'll always it will be always there with us.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah. Okay. Next time I'll do some other one, easier one, so that we can translate it easier like this.
Okay.
I didn't want to do this because I thought it will be a bit confusing, but I think you are all good at translation, so that's good. We'll do it.
Mahodaya, one doubt was like everywhere instead of makara, it has to be anuswara, right? Just to
What's it? Sorry.
I mean, instead of makara, like satyasamam tapaha, the last it should end with
It should be anuswara. Yeah.
Okay.
That one. Tapaha.
Yeah.
And here also it should be anuswara. And here too. If there is any
I thought it was the other way around, right? That only if there is an akara, then there is an
yes.
anuswar. Not
Yes. Yes, if
Vidyas or
there is an
Vidyas?
akara, then we have to put the adama.
Mahodaya, is it Vidyasamo or Vidyasamam?
Vidya samo bandhu. That will be a sandhi here. We'll learn about sandhi later. But yeah, that's this sandhi.
Tapaha.
It's like Vidya samaha bandhu.
This dukkam is correct.
Samam. Satya samam.
Third line.
Dukkam, right.
I think it has visarga.
Visarga,
Dukkam.
yeah.
Dukkam. It is not ikkam.
It has a visarga. Dukkam. Dukkam.
Yeah.
Sukham.
Okay.
If there is any doubt, you can ask in WhatsApp. Yeah. Anytime. No problem.
Bhagasamam. Samam,
Yeah.
it was right, Mahodaya, but it got corrected wrongly. Tyagasamam. Yeah.
Tyaga samam.
Okay.
Please write on in your own words. Don't copy mine here. There'll be lots of mistake in there. Sorry. I can actually type this in. If you want, I can do this in WhatsApp and send you the correct way of writing.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
if it's okay, you can. Okay, we'll do the Mangala Shloka.
Yes.
Raghavan Mohdaya, is it 9? What's the time? 5 o'clock?
Yeah, it's correct. Yeah.
No, sorry, because I was like, it was late, right? And I was like, oh, panic. Okay. Anybody wants to say the Mangala Shloka? Rajeshwari Mohdaya was saying it, right? Or Fran Mohdaya? Fran Mohdaya?
Sarve bhavantu sukinaha, sarve santu niramayaha, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kashit dukham bhavet. Om asatoma sat gamaya, tamasoma yotir gamaya, mrityormamritat gamaya. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purname Bhavadishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sorry, the mistake.
Yeah, that's okay. We can correct it. And
Dhanyavada.